everyone, I'm Divya, part of the talent acquisition team at L'Oréal India, where I currently lead the mandate on lateral recruitment. I've been with the organization for the last 5 years, and for as long as I can remember, we've partnered with iimjobs for our sourcing requirement. They have an amazing talent pool of candidates and a platform which is very friendly for candidates and recruiters alike. So when they came up with the showcase page, it was only natural for us to put our employer brand on it. It's a very unique platform which allows candidates a real sneak peek into the organization. You can put up pictures, link videos, showcase your leadership, talk about some of your differentiating policies and practices, and my most favorite feature, give a virtual tour of the office and facilities. In turn, helping candidates get a good sense of what lies behind the facade. I cannot recommend it enough for anyone who's serious about employer branding and Candidate Connect. Thank you.